don't like it. This is my dinner. Hey, how you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So I'm back with my best friend, Kes. Say hi.
What's up?
So today we're gonna be eating baby food just because.
We did it once. How many years ago?
We did it back in the day, like 3 years ago, but
like
now we're gonna film it.
Relevant.
It might come back. Things come back. So first we have chicken stew, vegetables, carrots, and green beans, and
it has to be warmed up. So we warmed it up. It's like mush.
It's so mushy. Okay, I'll go first. Break. What is that?
Get your bacon.
I don't like vegetables like that. Honestly, this is really, really good. It tastes like the inside of a pot pie.
Makes sense.
It's just like, why would you add more vegetables on the side if it's already vegetables in the stew?
Babies need their vegetables.
But if it's already vegetables in the stew, then why would you add on the side?
Because babies need their vegetables.
I like this, so I'm surprised. It could be warmer, but I really like it actually. It tastes like the inside of a pot pie.
Yeah, except with like less taste.
I mean, it's mushy. Mushy.
It has less taste because like baby.
I mean, yeah, ain't no pepper on it. Pepper, a little
and
salt.
that just tastes like
cold vegetables.
that actually doesn't taste good. Vegetables on the side. Oh. The vegetables on the side taste like baby food, but like the main dish tastes good.
We haven't had dinner yet, but this is pretty good to me. Maybe I'm hungry.
Probably. It's alright. You just don't get a taste.
If I was a baby, I wouldn't cry. If I knew I was getting this.
You're weird, buddy. You're weird.
The next heated up dish.
Get all the warm dishes out the way.
Yeah, because
this is mac and cheese with vegetables. These are peas and carrots. I hate peas with a passion. I feel like they're green potatoes, and they
peas is good.
Peas are worthless.
I don't know what you want
to the world.
Peas is good. It also has like weird brown stuff in it.
You could barely see it on camera, but this is not like how melted cheddar cheese looks. This looks more.
Yeah, it's like.
This is darker than. This is orange, than light orange.
Yeah, that's like.
I don't like it.
Makes you want to make your own baby food, because this is. I can already tell this is like artificial.
It's this sauce. I don't know what it is, but it ain't good. I don't like it. What? What is in this? Do you need to spit it out? We should have got a trash bag.
What the f was that? Oh my god.
It's something in this sauce.
They probably tried to make it with vegetables. Because babies. And they failed because that's nasty. Why do you keep eating it?
I don't know. I have a problem. I'm searching.
Water.
I'm searching because there's something else in this.
It's nasty.
It tastes like, I don't know, marinara sauce went wrong.
What? Marinara sauce.
Like meatball sauce went wrong.
I'm about to look it up too.
Oh, the ingredients? It's like somebody took some mashed potatoes, added a bunch of water, put a little, it's mashed up something with water. It's like baby food. And macaroni on it? I'm really trying to figure this out. I'm not good at, I didn't even taste the vegetables. I already know I hate peas, so I'm gonna eat like one.
So it says that the cheese sauce is made
with water, cheddar cheese, non-fat milk, modified cornstarch, cream, less than 1% of butter, disodium phosphate, soy lecithin, salt, potassium chloride, Torula yeast, olive oil, extract, natural flavors, annatto and paprika extract colors, and non-fat dry milk.
Why does this have paprika in it and this has no seasoning in it?
It doesn't taste good at all.
You can tell.
I don't know what the f they put in this.
It's red, so that's the paprika flavoring.
Yeah, but like there's something in that shouldn't be in here.
Man.
Because
watch your baby food. I appreciate moms that actually make their own baby food.
Because like what it says on here does not make sense for what it actually tastes like.
But do you all see like how dark this orange is? And like little specks of
like
red?
It's darker than like Kraft mac and cheese.
Kraft mac and cheese is better. I feel so bad for babies. This will make me cry.
Kraft is like I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyways, let's move on.
That was so
better
bad.
because that was disgusting.
So next we have the pear and butternut squash baby food blend.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Butterscotch and pear. I don't even like pears or butterscotch.
I like pears. I don't remember ever having buttersquash before. I can't smell anything. It's not terrible.
It's not terrible.
I don't like eating like this. I like to chew things.
Maybe I need a bib.
Oh my gosh. It's not terrible.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
I'm
I really only taste pear.
All I taste is the pear, so I guess the butternut squash is really blended in. I'm not a big applesauce fan, so it's just the texture for me.
I like applesauce.
I know.
I wouldn't eat that though.
So we have apple and sweet potato baby food. I'm sorry, but I don't like sweet potatoes.
Girl.
Yam, sweet potatoes, whatever you want to call them.
What? Who raised you?
I'm black still. I just don't like sweet
Right.
potatoes or yams.
Sure. Your family did something to you.
My mama makes hers every year with marshmallows and brown sugar.
First of all, that's the number one problem. Okay, never mind. That other stuff had an aftertaste, and I don't like it. What is it, Basti?
No,
Basti.
it's just applesauce, but the sweet potato should not be in there.
Yeah, it's just applesauce.
This one has an aftertaste. I didn't taste the aftertaste with the other one.
No, I tasted the aftertaste with the other one. And it wasn't good.
Actually, I will reheat the chicken stew
And eat it for dinner.
eat it for dinner, and I will have this as dessert.
You're weird.
It's green. I already know it's nasty.
Got spinach.
Apple, kiwi, and spinach.
Delicious.
Ooh.
Bello.
Here comes the train. Choo choo.
You took a big old bite too. Stir this up a little bit. You want the trash?
No, I'm gonna finish it.
It's not that bad. What are you doing?
I don't like applesauce.
Oh, it's the texture.
The texture is thick and chunky.
Yeah, because of the spinach.
It should have been blended more.
Or probably because of apple. It's alright. Tastes like apples. You over here about to throw up.
I don't know what about it make me gag. I think I took too much.
Yeah, it just tastes like apples.
I'm not finishing that. I don't like applesauce.
Well, the other ones you're probably not gonna like either.
Apple and blackberries. I feel like this would be good.
But you don't like applesauce.
But it's so pretty.
You still don't like applesauce.
It's just the texture.
You just don't. Are weird. That's good.
I'm confused. Why do I like the pouches more than this?
This is good. It's like applesauce.
It tastes like berries to me. I don't taste any apple.
I mean, berry applesauce.
Can I put it in the blender? You just eating it up, huh?
This is good.
Uh,
And it's relatively healthy. It's only 70 calories.
well, you can have that for lunch when you go to work. Just me.
Just get out my jar of baby food. They're like, what are you eating? I'm like, I'm eating my lunch. What does it
I
look
wonder
like?
if people have like a baby food diet.
Oh, remember Zoe 101? And she had like the thing of baby food.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, yeah. So next we have the Gerber yogurt melts, mixed berries, freeze-dried yogurt snack made with real fruit. Okay. I don't like yogurt, so I got nails. You can see it. Can you see that?
They're really light and airy. They're light.
This ain't for me, fam. Too many yogurt vibes. I was like,
Too
eat
many
more.
yogurt vibes.
It's like, eat more.
Exactly.
I couldn't eat a bunch of these. My stomach will start to hurt. They do melt in your mouth, though. Next, we got the Gerber Puffs. Apple cinnamon. I'm pretty sure these would be good.
Tastes like cereal.
They're shaped as stars.
That's good.
I still got that yogurt taste in my mouth.
Wow.
But nah, these are good. They're so dry. Like, is it bad if I take some cinnamon, pour it in, just shake it?
Or some milk.
You want to eat this as cereal?
Mm-hmm.
I can see that.
Last but not least,
we have
Cheeto puffs.
the bootleg Cheeto puff,
Baby food puffs.
the Gerber Little Crunchies mild cheddar.
No, they taste like that.
What?
They taste like the.
Do not compare this to that mac and cheese.
They taste like the cheese and mac and cheese. No, what they do?
These
They
taste like
messed
cheese
up.
balls.
No, it does not. You ain't had cheese balls.
What? What's that?
You ain't had the right ones because they don't taste like that. That tastes nasty.
Cornmeal, sunflower oil, cheese seasoning with salt, cheddar cheese seasoning, cultured milk, salt, enzymes, butterfat, natural cheddar cheese flavor, annatto, extract color. I think this is the sodium phosphate. I think that's what it is because that's the other one too. That's the only common ingredient I see.
These are decent. These are like a bootleg Cheeto puff. Don't do Gerber like that.
Gerber needs to get with it because that's nasty. They need to take a lesson from Chester Cheeto.
Well,
Chester Cheetah.
maybe they changed the formula in the past 3 years that we tried this. It says made with whole grain. I feel like the other one was more fatty than that. Finally, I like the chicken stew because it tastes more like adult food. I like the pear butternut squash. I like the puffs and the little crunchy.
This is my favorite. The apple and blackberry.
Look at this. I need y'all to
My
see
favorite.
this. This is almost empty.
They can't see that.
Yes, they can.
No, they can.
Let
They
me
can't
get-
see nothing.
Let me get closer.
That look like the whole thing.
Nah, this is almost empty.
They can't see nothing.
Stop it. Stop it. Get your face out of here. You see this? This is almost empty.
It's good. It tastes like
What's your
berry
dinner?
apple juice. I'm about to have a ramen for dinner. I don't know about you. Ow.
I don't want to waste this. I'm gonna finish it for the babies.
Finish all of it.
Not for-
Even the
no.
stuff you don't like.
Not all of it, but for the babies.
For the babies.
No, don't ring.
Ooh, let's taste White Claw. Alright, let's. In addition to baby food, we're also gonna try White Claw Mango.
Disclaimer: we're both
White
over the
boy
age of 21.
alcohol.
We're both over the age of 21. That's
Yeah.
a disclaimer. Is it bad?
It's alright. I don't really like mango though. So.
It says sparkling water.
Tastes like carbon, and if you whispered the word mango into my ear while I drank it.
It's spiked sparkling water with the hints of mango. See, I didn't read the fine print.
Oh, see, that's why, because it tastes like sparkling and then barely any juice. Not that good.
See,
I expected more.
my expectations were higher. It's gonna get finished, but
Because we're gonna play a game later.
yeah.
Everybody!
So you guys, in this video, if you want more videos with Cass, just let me know. How can you not love that? Like, come on. This is my dinner.
Baby food and White Claw.
Alright, in this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!